Hello, I'm Michael Fortune. I'm a furniture designer and maker, and I've been teaching here at this wonderful school in Indiana, the Marc School of Woodworking. And if I'm not mistaken, I've been teaching here for 23 years. The two chairs you see in the showcase here behind me use a lot of the techniques that I've been teaching over the years here at Marc Adams. The chairs are any of the curved parts that you see, the solid wood, the arms and the back legs and so on, are done using the technique of steam bending hardwood. This chair is in curly maple. Now the back slats are actually bent, but using a different technique called hot pipe bending, which is really kind of an intriguing technique, often associated with musical instrument making. But I discovered that it is a perfect technique for doing things like the back slats on those chairs. Chairs are also inlaid, which is another class I teach here. That chair was done with a small tool you make yourself in the workshop, and I actually teach a class on how to make that, and then that's put up against a straight edge and drawn repeatedly against the straight edge that in turn is clamped to the back slat of the chairs. So that looks like it's incredibly labor intensive to do that inlay and so on, but it's not really with the method that we use when we're teaching that day-long class on doing string inlay. The top detail, on the other hand, on that chair is mother of pearl, and that is also cut out with a chisel and set into the surface. The chair is upholstered, and I use a very, very specific technique for making a very comfortable upholstered seat. All of these techniques I've written about in Fine Woodworking magazine, and then it's absolutely wonderful for the students to come to the school here and actually go through the process of creating their own very comfortable and thin upholstered chair seats.